Hello, everybody. My name is Sean Donovan. I'm a program officer at CBD See Southwest, and today's video is going to be how to apply for the Government of New Brunswick Small Business Emergency Working Capital Program. I want to make an overview of how to access the portal to create your application, the general information that's required within that application, and the documentation that needs to be uploaded as well too. So let's get started. I'm going to get you to go to our website, so cbdc.ca. Once you have this page loaded, as you see on my screen, you're going to see this banner, the Government of New Brunswick Small Business Emergency Working Capital Program. With this banner below it, click here for more information. So I'm going to have you click here. And this is going to load up just some general information about the loan itself and the criteria that we are looking for applicants to this loan as well too. So take some time to read through this. And once you're ready, at the bottom of the page, you'll see different CBDCs, all CBDCs within New Brunswick listed. So you'll see a map here with the territories as well. So you choose which territory you're in, and there should be a CBDC office that matches that on the side here as well too. So in my case, CBDC Southwest. I'll go ahead and click that. And what's going to load for you is this application portal page. My information is already in, but for you, since this is your first time accessing it, you'll see at the bottom, don't have an account, sign up now. So please click where it says sign up now and create your account. So basically, add your email address, add your first name, add your last name, and create a password. Accept the terms and conditions, and sign me up. So once you click sign me up, this notification will pop up. It says that the account has been created successfully. So what I'm going to have you do is go back to your email account and check that the email verification has been sent through. And the account that it will come from is Southwest. So go ahead and click on that email, and you'll see a blue button down here that says activate your account. So go ahead and click on that. Back to login, and you're going to use that information that you just set up to log into your account. So what will pop up for you next is a page that says contact details. So I'm going to get you to go ahead and fill this out as accurate as possible and then click finish at the bottom when you're done. So what will pop up is the application, so the portal online. So what you'll see here is the CBDC COVID-19 Working Capital Loan. So this is up to $100,000 and a red button that says apply. So go ahead and click apply. That was just what popped up there was just an old application that I started. I just clicked apply new. But when you click apply, this is what will pop up for you, what you're seeing on the page right here. So there's two main sections to this loan. So there's the main application and the borrower information. Both are required to be completed before you can submit the application. So what we're going to do today, I'm just going to run through the main application with you and also the borrower information as well too. Now yourself, applying for this loan, all the required information, you do need to click next. But what I'm going to be doing, since this is a demonstration, you'll see all the pages for this section listed on the left-hand side. I'm just going to be leafing through these pages. But when we go through them, for example, when I click on loan information, you'll see these red asterisks beside this information. This is required information that you need to fill out. So when you fill this application out, you can click next on each section, which will bring you to the next page. Myself, like I mentioned, I'll just be leafing through them on the left-hand side. So, loan information. So please explain the impact that COVID-19 crisis has had on your business. So just give us a brief description, exactly what happened to your operation because of COVID-19. Just helps us understand a little bit more what you're going to be using this money for. Are you a current CBDC client? Yes or no? And then type in the loan amount requested through CBDC Southwest. Again, this is maximum $100,000. So do you carry life insurance? Yes or no? If yes, the total amount. So the next section, proposed use of the working capital loan. So it could be for rent, wages, receiver general, insurance, trade payables, so on and so forth. So just give us a brief description of the use of funds and the amount that's going to be going toward it. So if you have multiple uses of this fund that you may receive, please list them out. Sources of funding. So if you have, any other sources of funding that you've applied for or been approved for because of COVID-19 crisis, please list them out. So multiple sources, if you have them, multiple amounts, please include them. Once you have this completed, you can go ahead and click next. Again, myself, I'm just going to be going on the left-hand side and leafing through. Now, just some general business information. So legal name of the business, please include that. Business address, city, province, postal code, phone, email, the business number, so the 9-digit business number, and also your business structure. So are you a sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, nonprofit, limited partnership, or co-op? Type of industry, please choose from here. If it's not listed here, you can click other and leave it at that for the time being. Years of experience, please include a number, and your business status. Are you open full-time? Are you open part-time? Or are you temporarily closed? And go ahead and please provide a description of your business. So business ownership. So who are the principal owner/owners of the business? What is the percentage of their ownership? Phone number that they can be reached at, and email address as well too. So if there's multiple owners, please list them. References, it's not necessary, but if you do have references, please include them on within the application. Business banking information, if you want to include it, please go ahead and include that within the application as well. And the job impact, so jobs maintained with this funding. So current full-time employees, please include current part-time employees. How many jobs will be affected by the COVID-19 crisis, or how many jobs have been affected by the COVID-19 crisis? This is full-time employees. And how many jobs will be affected by COVID-19 crisis for part-time employees as well too. So just like last section, once this is completed, you can go ahead and click next. And again, left-hand side I'll be using, and you'll see the business financial information. So in this section, please be as detailed as possible when filling this out. So this is the business monthly income and expenses. So what is your gross monthly sales through the business and any other income? And that should give you the total business monthly income. Compare this to your business monthly expenses, so anything going out. So raw materials, merchandise, marketing, advertising, owner's salary, employee salary, so on and so forth. You can include an amount and an additional description in either one of these sections if necessary. And you can total those business monthly expenses up in this section right here. Please include your business assets and liabilities. This includes any materials, inventory, accounts receivable, furnitures, fixtures, vehicles. Again, please list them out. So you see here multiple assets, estimated value, and are they owned free and clear? Yes or no. So you can total your business assets up here and compare it to your business liabilities. This includes any loan payments that you currently have, supplier credits, business vehicle, the cost for a vehicle, gas, so on and so forth, equipment leases, credit cards, etc. So please list your liabilities out, creditor name, the original amount, business currently owed, and the payment that you're making per month. So please list your total business liabilities out in that section. So once you click next, these are the 4 pages for your first part of your application. So once you click next, this part should be done. So congratulations. This will move you on to your next section, so the borrower information. And you'll see at the top, these are 5 pages. So it's borrower information, borrower financial information, personal financial statements, required documentation, and disclaimer. So within borrower information, we do have some required information here that we need from you. So first name, last name, phone number, home address, city, province, postal code, SIN, date of birth. What's your preferred contact method? Email or phone? Please include that. Do you rent or own your home? Rent or own. For how many years and months? Landlord, mortgagee name, and marital status. And this next section is not required that you put it in, but if you do have that information, please include it. And once you click next, this will bring you to the borrower financial information. So, personal monthly income and expenses. So what is your personal monthly income? So anything that's coming in for you. So if you have business income, please include that, employment income, spouse family income, public assistance, so on and so forth. Any additional description that you can include, that would be great as well too. And in this section, you can total that personal monthly income within that section. Personal monthly expenses. So if you have mortgage payments, rental payments, include that. Food, clothing, utilities, again, so on and so forth. Include those numbers in, and if you do need to put additional descriptions, please go ahead and do that. And you can total your personal monthly expenses up in this box here. So these next sections, there's some required information in here. So have you ever declared bankruptcy? Yes or no? If the bankruptcy was discharged, when exactly? You can just put a year there. Do you have any claims or lawsuits against you right now? Yes or no? Does the business borrower owe any taxes prior to the current year? Yes or no? And if you've answered yes to any questions above, we ask that you just provide a description. Again, just gives us more of an understanding of exactly what we're looking at within the loan application. So go ahead and click next. And this will bring you to the personal financial statement. So personal assets, any cash holdings that you currently have right now, you do need to list out. So cash holdings being any cash, any term deposits or GICs, any stocks, mutual funds, or SPs. So you'll see some sections here, cash holdings 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Please include the financial institution that these cash holdings are within, branch, and the amount of those cash holdings. Next section is owned real estate. So please list all real estate owned by owner or spouse. So there's multiple properties if you have it. You can put the year purchased, the mortgage holder, the purchase price, and the present value of that property. Same goes for your automobiles as well too. So please list all vehicles owned by owner or spouse. And there's multiple sections here if necessary. So year, make, model, owner on title, purchase price, and present value. And any other assets. So this could be some examples here, RV, boat, etc. List out these assets, owner on title, purchase price, and present value. So what you can do here, you can total those personal assets. This is your cash holdings plus your total real estate, plus the total vehicle, plus any other assets. And that should give us a clear amount of what your personal assets are at the moment. And we'll compare this to your personal liabilities. So any personal loans that you currently have right now. So we have 5 sections here for a bank loan. So what bank is it? What branch is it? What's the monthly payment that you're making on this amount? The collateral pledged, the interest rate on these loans, and also the current balance owing as well. We have a mortgage section. So if you have multiple mortgages, please include those. If you have a mortgage or multiple mortgages, please include those. The bank, the branch, monthly payment, collateral pledged, interest rate, and current balance owing. And any other liabilities. So list all other liabilities, including credit cards, store credits, etc. So any liabilities, again, what bank is it through, monthly payment, collateral pledged, interest rate, and balance owing. So total your personal liabilities. So this is your total loans plus your total mortgages plus any other liabilities. Should give us a clear understanding of what we're looking at within the loan application. So go ahead and click next. And this will bring us to the last document section. So this is required documentation. So physical pieces of documentation that we need from you. So we do need 2 pieces of actual identification. So you'll see here in this personal documentation, provide photo identification. It says passport preferred. I've seen people upload their passport. I've also seen driver's license as well too. Provide additional identification. So any other document as well too. You can choose that file. So once you click choose file, it should open the documents folder on your computer. If you have the picture uploaded, that's great. You can upload that file directly onto this portal. Under business documentation, business plan. So if the business is under 1 year in operation, we do require a business plan. So if you have that prepared, please go ahead and upload that on this portal as well. We do need a copy of your business registration number. So if you can take a screenshot of that, or if you have a picture of it, please upload that. Articles of organization and corporation. If you have it, please upload it. And you'll see here the asterisk beside the business insurance, liability insurance. Please include that. That is, we need that within the file. And financial documentation. So we do need your prior year personal tax return, including all schedules, and we need your prior year business tax return, including all schedules. So please upload those documents. current income statements, balance sheet, and cash flow statement, current accounts receivable and accounts payable listings, and year-end financial statements for the last fiscal year. So once that is completed, go ahead and click Next. And this will bring up the disclaimer page. So take your time to go through this. You'll see here that there's a section that requires your attention. So go ahead and select what you need to in that drop-down box. And at the very bottom, there's a signature of authorized individuals. So this is a digital signature. When you click that, you should be able to digitally sign your name. You can date this as well, and you can type your name out at the bottom. Once you click Save, your application will be submitted to the portal, which will be uploaded to the CBDC that you have chosen at the start of this whole process. So before I do conclude today's video, I just wanted to review really quickly. If you were to, let's say you don't want to complete your application right away. If you were to close out of your application, does it save? Yes. All you need to do at this point is go back to our website, so cbdc.ca. Again, you'll see the banner under the Emergency Working Capital Program. It says click here for more information. So go ahead and click that. And go down to the CBDC office that you were currently working through, or that you were working through before. So in this case, again, CBDC Southwest. Oops, I'm just going to log out and show you. So this is the page that will pop up for you. So the application portal page will pop up again. I'm just going to use another account that I was working with. But again, sign in with the account that you created before. And click Login. What will pop up is the working capital loan application that you were working on before. So to pick up where you left off, all you got to do is click View Application, and it will pop up the application. So all the pages, as long as you filled out information in these pages, it will be there, and you can continue working where you left off. So hopefully that was a little helpful to get you through the process of starting the application and submitting the application. And if you have any questions throughout the process, don't hesitate to reach out to the CBDC office that you're currently working with. We're happy to help, and we'll all work hard together to get through this, get through these times. So that concludes today's video. I'd like to thank everybody for stopping by to check it out. Have a great day. Bye now.